I asked ChatGPT to act as a business consultant for Inc. 500 companies. One simple thing. How do I go from launch to profit half the time? Now, most people think AI is just for writing blog posts or making funny memes. But what I got back from this conversation is the exact blueprint that helped me turn a struggling idea into a multi-million-dollar business. And I'm about to hand it to you. I've put it into a Google document so you can literally open it, copy it, and use it to speed up your profits without making the same mistakes I did. I put the link down below. Okay, you guys can click it and grab it. All right. But first, let me show you what's inside. Most entrepreneurs fail not because they don't have passion, but because they run out of time and money before they figure out. And here's what ChatGPT 5 told me. If you have passion but no expertise, most people take 18 to 36 months just to break even. Even with expertise, it can take 6 to 18 months to profit. And offline businesses, you could wait years before seeing a single dollar back. But here's the kicker. With a proven profitable business model and guidance, you can collapse that timeline to just 60 to 90 days. I've seen complete beginners hit their first $5,000 profits in weeks instead of years because they skip the trial and error phase entirely. And that's the mindset behind this blueprint I want to give to you, okay? Stop figuring it out from scratch and start leveraging what's already working. And here are key takeaways from this blueprint. When I distilled the AI's answers, I noticed something. Every success story, mine included, follow the same 5 profit acceleration levers. Number 1, borrow before you build. All right? Don't waste months creating something from scratch. I started selling a product that was already proven, and it shaved a year off my timeline. Number 2, sell before you fulfill. That's how I funded my first launch without debt. I sold other people's successful offers before building my own. Instant cash flow. Number 3, focus on one revenue-driven skill. Okay, pick your lane. For me, it was Facebook organic marketing and AI. I ignore everything else until I master it. Number 4, leverage other people's audiences. For example, I tap into established audiences like podcasts, live collaborations, JV partnerships, and got customers in days. And number 5, ruthless offer simplification. All you need for your success is one clear promise, not 12 different packages, okay? Just one irresistible offer to get people to say yes. When you combine all this, you are not guessing anymore. You are following a repeatable process that makes profit inevitable. And for people, maybe you, who want to get on an even faster track when launching your business and scale your income, here is where it gets really crazy. ChatGPT 5 basically described the exact thing my business partner Nathan and I built, okay? The Done For You digital franchise that's already tested, already converting, and already profitable. It's the same Facebook and AI system I've personally used to generate over $3 million online. And it's the same one that helped Selena, a stay-at-home mom, make $7,000 in 24 days. Rachel, a mindset coach, make $12,000 in 21 days. Trisha, a cancer survivor in India, make $3,000 in 2 weeks. All right? No product creation, no tech headaches, and no pay ads. You get a done for you proven digital product that makes you $1,000 profit on every single sale. You get plug and play funnels, done for you emails, and my coaching team supports your customers for you while you keep 100% of the profits. This is the ultimate shortcut for anyone who wants to hit their first $5,000 online in the next 8 weeks or less. Look, my team and I have done all the hard work for you. The research, the testing, the bleeding money until I figure out part, so that you don't need to repeat that. You can click the link down below, grab that profit speed blueprint, and start using it today to grow your business, whether you plug in my Done For You digital franchise or apply the 5 levers to what you are already doing. The difference between people who make it and people who don't is not just passion, it's not talent, it's whether they take action on the right plan at the right time. You have the plan, you have the timing. Now it's just about showing up and executing. So click down below, grab that document, and let's get you profiting faster than you ever thought possible. I'll see you in my next training video. Let's go.